Hey guys, since my laptop isn't working at the moment correctly, I'm going to do a few more of these type of videos. I do have some more Exitus Elite videos that I want to make on my laptop because I have the screen capture software on there. I'm going to do a full product review of the products themselves. I did do a talking video about that, but I just wanted to do a full in-depth review about the products themselves and what you're getting. And also, in my last video, I said team bonus training now is on all levels. So no matter if you come in at the G1000, the G2000, or even the G100, 250, and 500, you will get the training. So what I want to talk about in this video is about belief in yourself, belief in what you do. And if you don't have that belief and you don't show that excitement, your business is not going to go the way you want. I'm excited about this business. You can tell I love Exitus Elite. I believe in it. I wouldn't have made over 20 videos in about a three week time span, and I'm keeping it up. I'm challenging myself to make videos every day. Will I succeed every day? Maybe not. I didn't do one yesterday, but I'm just gonna keep pushing these videos out. I'm gonna keep giving you guys value. Because I want you all to succeed. Even if you don't join my opportunity, I want you to succeed in whatever it is that you're going after. That's what this YouTube channel has always been about. And so if you don't have belief, pick a business that you believe in and go with it. Show your excitement. Show people how much you love your business, how it's changing your life. Since I've gotten into Exitus Elite, I just made my first sale recently, so I'm now qualified to make commissions on all the levels. I absolutely love this business, and I believe in it. If you don't have belief, it's not going to work out. So what I'm telling you guys is, this opportunity, Exitus Elite, has everything that you could ever possibly need to find success online. But you have to be willing to go for it, and you have to want it so badly. I started succeeding most when I stopped giving a damn what other people thought. That's that hang up that people are afraid to post on their Facebook, or they're afraid to post on their Instagram because they're afraid their friends might see you posting these things, and they might have their own opinion about it and all that stuff. If you're brand new and you have that worry, then make another account just for business purposes. I started on my main Facebook, and so I do have a business version of it, but that I also use, but I mainly use my main page because I really don't care. This is my business, and I am going to keep promoting it. And if people want to drop off and want to not be my friend anymore on Facebook, that's fine. I don't care. You have to get over all your hang-ups. I know you all can do this. If I can do it, anyone can do it. I was really scared originally to do videos, and now look at me. I do videos every day, and I love it. And your videos don't have to be perfect. Just get your message across, be sincere, and just deliver your message. And you'll find that people will start to watch. But you have to believe in what you do. So believe in what you do, and all the things everything will fall into place. And you'll find that Exitus Elite is a very high quality business, and it's been running for over 7 years now. We're going into our 8th year this summer. It'll be 8 years old this summer, and that's pretty much all I want to say in this video. Join businesses that you believe in, and everything else will fall into place. And just believe in yourself. Work on your mindset. My mindset's trained to believe, and rightfully so, that because I am applying action every day, I am going to find success. I just got my first sale, and that was exciting because in Exitus Elite we make 100% instant commissions. So our money is there right in our PayPal account, in our Cash App account, in our Zelle account, in our Stripe account, whatever it is that you're using to make your sales. So we get paid, and the company never holds our money. So I've been in businesses where they failed and they said, oh, we can't pay out to you anymore, and we ended up losing money. This is not with Exitus Elite. It's been running strong for a long time now. So believe in yourself, believe in what you do, and you will find success. It may take some time, it may take some work and dedication, but if you keep putting in the work that you need to, you're going to find success at some point. But you can never give up. That's the key. Never give up, and anything is possible. This is all I'm going to say in this video. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and also make sure you hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button when you subscribe, so you'll get notified when I upload new content. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Oh, and the link for Exitus Elite is in the description below. Bye.